Over 2 years, Ronaldo will earn £492 million. That is £500,000 a day. That is £178 million in wages a year. He's getting a signing-on fee of £24.5 million. If he stays for a second year, that will increase to £38 million. He's also getting a 15% stake in Al Nassr. £4 million if he's the top scorer in the Saudi Pro League again. £8 million if Al Nassr win the title. He's getting 16 members of staff. That includes 3 drivers, 4 housekeepers, 2 chefs, 3 gardeners, 4 security guards, and he's also getting the use of a private jet as well. So, extraordinary figures being reported not just here in the US, but also in England and in Spain as well.